Hello to all my lovely children. I'm Arshi Aziz and I'm explaining you chapter number 2 of Civics, State Government, the Legislature. Children, today we will discuss about the functions of the state legislature. Children, the functions of the state legislature is to making laws. A state legislature makes laws that apply only to the state concerned. These are laws on subjects that have to be dealt with accordingly to the special needs of the state concerned. These subjects, including agriculture, land revenue, public health, law and order, police, etc., are mentioned in a list called the state list. Children, please keep it in mind, it is very important. A state legislature can also make laws on the subjects of another list called the concurrent list. However, it shares this power within the parliament. Some subjects on the concurrent list are marriage and divorce, education, electricity, and factories. Children, a proposal to pass a new law or to change an existing one is called a bill. Children, a bill on the subject under the state list or the concurrent list can be introduced in either house of the legislature, but a money bill can be introduced only in the legislative assembly. The bill is discussed and debated in three stages, then it put up for voting in both houses. If the majority of the members present in the house vote for the bill, it is sent to the other house, then also it goes through a similar procedure. When the bill is passed by both houses of the legislature of the state, it is sent to the governor for his assent to the bill. It becomes a law after the governor's assent. The governor may return the bill to the legislature with suggestions. The legislature may or may not accept the suggestions and send it back to the governor for assent. This time, the governor shall not withhold his assent to it. Questioning the state executive. The state legislature exercises control over the state executive. It can question the policies and working of the executive. During some fixed hours, the assembly or the council members can question the ministers of the state executive and draw their attention to important issues. If the ministers do not satisfy the legislature with their answers, the Vidhan Sabha may pass a vote of non-confidence against the Council of Ministers. Then the Council of Ministers shall resign. The state legislature can move an adjournment motion to discuss an urgent issue. Children, the state legislature participates in the election of the President of India and then the elected members of the Rajya Sabha. So, children, in this way, we find that the Legislative Assembly is more powerful than the Legislative Council in the states.